Welcome back to Amethyst Adventures. And if you're new here, let me welcome you to the channel for the very first time. Today, we are starting something new, Tablescape Tuesdays, an open playlist hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor and myself, Amethyst Adventures. Links to both our channels will be in my description box below. And if you'd like to participate, simply upload a Tablescape video at 6 p.m. any Tuesday and hashtag it Tablescape Tuesdays, and we'll find you. So for today's Tablescape, I am doing a green and yellow summer tablescape. I'm starting off with a green Dollar Tree runner, and then I'm coming in with some golden yellow woven placemats. On top of those, I have some Dollar Tree lemon plates, but I thought it was a little bit plain, so I came back in with a white charger, and I think that gave it exactly what it needed. For my centerpiece, I have my mother's beautiful crystal candle dish, and I've added some lemons and yellow florals. Next, I'm gonna come in with some crystal candlesticks with off-white tapers in them. And then I'm gonna add some greenery and florals to the center of the table. So sit back, relax, grab your favorite drink, and enjoy while I put this tablescape together. Make sure you watch all the way till the end for the final reveal. Let me share with you my favorite cocktail, and that is a vodka and cranberry with a twist. I didn't have any fresh lemons, so I'm using some lemon juice, 100% cranberry juice, and some Absolute vodka. To my tumbler, I've added some ice, and then I filled it about a third of the way with vodka, another third of the way with cranberry juice, and then just a little splash of the lemon juice. Shake thoroughly and enjoy. If you enjoyed today's video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up. It helps out so much. and consider becoming part of the Amethyst Adventures family. It's free, it's quick, and honey, it's easy. Just go ahead and click on that red subscribe button and hit that notification bell so that you will know when I upload a brand new video. Now for the news. Tablescape Tuesdays is an open playlist happening every Tuesday at 6 p.m. So simply upload a Tablescape video on Tuesday and hashtag it Tablescape Tuesdays and we'll find you. We also have an open collaboration called Sophisticated Saturdays. The second Saturday of every month at 6 p.m., we'll be hosting a different theme. Simply upload a video second Saturday of the month at 6 p.m. and hashtag it Sophisticated Saturdays Ladies of Elegance to participate. And even if you can't participate, I hope you'll tune in and give us your support. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope this video gives you inspiration. And until next time.